Hello everyone, it's Kenneth again and again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you and teach you how I layer my perfume so it will last longer or will stay in my body throughout the day. Okay? Disclaimer to all of you. I'm not a professional. I'm not expert with the keynotes. I'm not expert with the perfumes. It's just happened that I love perfumes and I love to smell myself really good. Okay? And in today's video, I'm just gonna share my personal experience, my personal choices of perfume that I'm going to layer, or perfumes that I layered every time I go somewhere, every time I want to smell really good. Okay, so first I just want to remind you guys, even your perfume is not branded, even your perfume is just, you know, it's not expensive, you can still make yourself smell good. Okay, so the first scent I'm gonna show you is from Bath and Body Works. I got a one set of this one because I really love the smell. You know guys, if you're watching all my videos, when it comes to perfume, you will know that I love flower scent, right? So I got this Dahlia by Bath and Body Works. So this is a moisturizing body wash and this is the body scrub. So guys, if I want to smell this scent, what I'm gonna do first, when I take my shower, body wash or body scrub. Next will be, like after I came out from the shower, the body cream. Okay, the same. And then once I put, my skin so soft and smell really good. So when I'm ready to go, I'm gonna spray this one. Okay, this is from Bath and Body Works as well. All of them are the same scent. Smells really good. After shower, I always make sure I have this one, my ever favorite one. It's from the Body Shop. This is the Body Shop Moringa for body and hair. Okay, so after take a shower, I put this body oil, and then if I want to smell really good, I'm just gonna put in here, okay, at the end, because this one is good for the hair as well. And after that, when I know it's dry, and then the body butter smells really good, guys. Smells really good. So after that, before I put my uniform, I'm gonna spray this one. You see, it's almost done because this is my everyday, part of my everyday scent. Okay, so that's, you see guys, it's not all my scent or my perfumes are signature or has a name. Okay, so you can smell good even you use this kind of stuff. So guys, let's go on the branded perfumes. This is how I do if I go somewhere, if I have a girlfriend's date or a boyfriend's date. So guys, I'm the kind of person, I'm the kind of a girl who doesn't want to have the same scent with the person beside me. That's why I learned how to mix and match my perfumes. Okay. So first, I partner these two. This is too strong and this one is too girly. I'm not particular with the notes, okay? I'm not gonna say with the notes. So this is the Tom Ford Black Orchid and the Valentino Donna. Okay, so this one, guys, the Dolce Gabbana light blue and the Yves Saint Laurent. It's black opium. Put them together, boom, smells really good. Next, it's gonna be the Yves Saint Laurent Mon Paris and Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. This one is Parfum Floral and this is Blooming Bouquet. If you combine them together, you just need a bee and a butterfly that goes with you. This one, if you want to go for like a birthday party, and if you want to smell like Sweet 16, if you want to smell like a teenager, try this one. Highly recommended, guys. Okay, so do you remember this one and this one? If you put them together, perfect. So if it just happened that you bought one set like this one, the Gucci Bloom, this is a perfume lotion, plus this one, for sure you're gonna smell really good. And guys, where's that? This is the Flower Bomb La Vie en Rose. This is a limited edition. Okay, so I have the perfume oil. So what you can do, put the oil first. Oh, so the oil first and spray this one, because this one is eau de toilette. Okay, so this one is eau de parfum and it's for layering oil. So when you put this one first and this one, because these two made match in heaven. Or you see, I have this Jasmine Flower Bomb, it's for layering oil as well, and Flower Bomb Bloom, this is eau de toilette as well. So if you put them together, you're gonna have a good smell. Or if you don't want the jasmine, you can go with this. Okay, so guys, last one, oh not really, so I have the Jo Malone Finian Blush Suede Cream and this one. So what I do, I'll put this one first all over my body and then spray. Okay, spray with this. I have the rose one, the Jo Malone Rose, that's my ever favorite one, but I finished their cream. Okay, last one, guys, Okay, remember what I told you a while ago? If just happen you purchase one full set, what you can do if you want to smell really good, so this is Gucci Guilty shower gel. So after I take my shower, put the body lotion, and then this one, this is Gucci Guilty. Okay, this one, guys, it smells really good. Of course I'm gonna say it smells really good. I chose all of this, right? And stays longer. All right, so always remember, guys, that it works for me, it might not work for you. So always do a test, and also make sure to start put the cream or the oil first before you spray to your body. Of course, do not spray too much. Okay, so guys, I hope you learned something today about layering perfume, and please give me a thumbs up and make a comment if you have any suggestion or any questions about layering. I'm not expert, but I might help you. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, God bless, and I love you. So always remember, guys, nothing is permanent in life. Tomorrow is never a promise. So always show the love, always show your smile. Okay? Love, 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 love. Bye. Mwah.